Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will be talking about Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Chlorophyll Oil Free Anti-Acne Gel and Post Hair Removal Soothe. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So I was searching for moisturizer, some budget-friendly moisturizer for the summer days, and I came across about this. This is a product from Biotique, and it got a good review on Nykaa site. So I decided to try it out. So let's start with the packaging. It comes into this green tub. I have lost the original packaging. I'm very sorry, but it comes in this green tub, and you get the product in there. You have to dip your finger in it to get out the product. It is quite unhygienic, but apart from that, overall everything is mentioned in the packaging, so it is okay. So let's coming to the price. It is 199 rupees, and it is always off in Nykaa, so I got it in 169 rupees. The manufacture date is 12/17, and the expiry date, it is for 3 years after the manufacturing date. So at a price point, it is quite budget friendly. All in all, it's a good budget friendly product from Biotique. So it is of 50 gram, you can see, and if we go into the texture, it has greenish color, and it has watery texture. As you can see, it blends effortlessly, and it very quickly absorbs into the skin. It doesn't claim to be a mattifying gel. It is not its problem. I should have gone for a mattifying gel. So this is it lacks. It's not mattifying gel. I'm not saying it accentuate the oil production, but then also it doesn't make the skin mattifying. So that is one problem. Another problem is it has a watery texture, that's true, but when you apply it in your face, it will feel bit heavy. That is another turn off for oily skin girl. After using this product, I have realized that I should go for those products which claim to brighten up the skin a bit. I'm not saying that it should be fairness cream, no, but there should be mentioned, or in the review uh, from other user, there is a hint of a mention that it brings little glow in the face, because it makes the skin very dull, and I get tanned in the summer days, and I think that it make my skin more dark, that what I want to be. So that is the biggest turn off. Another thing is its smell. Those people who like and who can bear with any kind of smell, for them it's okay, but for me, I cannot tolerate even the mild fragrance, so it has a strong medical type of smell. So this is another con for me, but I think oily skin beauties won't like it, but dry skin beauties will like it, because it has watery texture. For summer days, it is very appropriate for dry skin beauties. My sister has dry skin beauties, and she absolutely loved it, and this dull part didn't work for her. This dull part didn't came. She didn't feel that this make her skin dull. So this is it. I think this will help the dry skin beauties, but for oily skin beauties, they should stay away, and they should find some mattifying gel or cream in the summer days. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe. It's completely free of cost. You can hit the bell icon, so if I upload another video you won't miss it. You can comment down below, I'll be happy to answer you. So thank you for tuning in to my channel. I will see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.